What's up, y'all? Bryce with the Damn Fishing. We're gonna be out on the river today to try to get after some show bass and some spotted bass. It's a super small river, but there's some really nice fish in there. I'm gonna try some topwater, try to get on some topwater action, and we're gonna go out there and see what happens. Y'all stay tuned. There's a blow up. All right. Not a bad little bass. God, he hammered that thing. I mean, big. Nice fish. Yes, sir. Solid fish. Nice. Solid bass. Looks like a spotted. Nice fish. Good blow up. Solid. Nice little spotted bass. So these are some nice fish for a river like this. I mean, it is a small river, and we got some nice bass in them. Real pretty fish. Let's get an underwater release on them. And he's out of here. Let's go get on some more. God, missed that blow up. Another nice little fish. Another spotted bass. Did two like that on top water, just like that, man. Just like that, another nice one. Nice little spotted bass. You're nailing the top water, man. You're nailing them top waters. Sweet fish. Get on a raw water release on them too. Nice little spotted bass. Already off to a good start. Let's go catch another one. Missed it. There we go. Got it. Let's go. Oh, that might be a show bass. Looks like it. Sweet fish. No, that's a spotted bass. Lord, hold on. I don't know. That's a good fish though. That is a spotted and a shoal hybrid. Looks like. Man, that's a pretty fish. That is a pretty freaking fish right there, man. Solid fish. Solid fish. Now it looks more like a spotted bass, but in some of these rivers they have the show bass spotted hybrid, which is some neat looking fish. Either way, still nice fish. Let's get them released. He's out of here. I love topwater bites. Gets me pumped. Oh God. He just took my daggum spook, man. God dang it. That was a stud fish. That just took my spook. Man, rarely do I have a fish break off a spook. Man, that was a nice fish too. That would have been the biggest fish today. Been a freaking stud. Well, try it again with this one. God, there's a freaking bass right there. Oh my God, there's a freaking bass right there, bro. God dang it. Look at that. I had a fish pop it on top of the branch. I don't see that too often. God, it's deep right here. Let's see if we can get him. There we go. That's not a bad fish. Nice spotted bass. Come on, buddy. All right, solid fish. Let's get him over here. Dang, that's a beautiful fish. Beautiful fish. Solid bass. All right. There it goes. God, I think that's a daggum good fish right there, man. I think I missed a blow up on him. Of course. He is pulling good, dude. Oh, that's a solid freaking spotted bass right there, bro. Oh, man. Wasn't really a big blow up. He fooled me there, but God, that's a nice fish. Oh my God, I lost him. Look at that. Oh, My line tight on this one. Oh my God, there's another one with him. No way, I didn't freaking... Oh, dang, the big one got off. Dang. Still a nice fish. Shoal bass right here, man. Shoal bass. Please stay on. Nice. That's a shoalie. Beautiful fish. Nice shoal bass. Pretty fish. Solid, dude. There's one. I am losing them all today, dude. Right when I hit the freaking water, man. Little guy. Oh, come on in here. Let's find something bigger. It's a shoalie though. That's a good sign. Nice little shoal bass. Appreciate it, buddy. Got a fish. There he is. Oh, he done caught me in the branches, dang it. He's out. Nice. God, he's coming right at me. I don't know how big he is. Oh, that's a nice freaking fish. Oh, every bit of that size I had earlier. Oh my God. It's a stud. Stud spotted bass, dude. Oh my God. Damn, there's nowhere to land them over here. He's a freaking stud. Nice fish, man. Holy crap, dude. That's a freaking tank. Oh my God. That's a tank, bro. That, guys, is a freaking tank. Every bit of freaking 3.5, 4 pounds. Freaking giant. Nice. Freaking stud of spotted bass, man. Nice. Probably close to 4 pounds. Let's release this big guy. Alrighty guys, that'll be a wrap for today. We caught a lot of fish, but we also missed a lot of giant fish, unfortunately. Gosh, I don't even know what to say about it, but overall I'd say it was a really good day. We caught a lot of fish, really one super nice one, which that got me pretty pumped up. I want to thank y'all for watching, and we'll see y'all next time. Appreciate it.